Preview.
Hello friends,
And
welcome
back to Kids Fun Learn
Club
Club. And today we are gonna draw a grasshopper.
for the kids.
Yeah.
For the kids in preschool. Very easy drawing. You only use the colors this time. No pencils, no sharpies. We'll just need some colors and a white paper, and we are done. It will just take a few minutes. Follow us, and let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's first start with the yellow.
What the? Okay, I got this one.
So we make the head of the grasshopper. How does it look like? Okay, this is done.
Can I use yours?
Sure. Now next is this one. Now we use the green color to make the grasshopper's body. And long body. Okay.
Oopsies.
And we'll be using the yellow color now to make the complete the body, and then the green color, the darker green color, to make the legs. And we have another pair of legs that would come here and be here. Now we use the yellow color. So parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag @Kids Fun Learn Club to win some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club for your kids. Okay, so we are done with this drawing. Whose drawing did you like more? Parikshit's or mine? Tell us in the comments below. Have a good day. Bye bye.